Mhm. Oh guys, I'm gonna be in all these things as you can see and a glass of a drink. I need to finish this in 1 minute. Let's do this.
Let's go. You know?
Tell me when you're ready. 1, 2, 3, go.
Come on. You're not open, man. Come on. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay guys, I didn't manage to finish my challenge. Now Young G gonna help me to finish it in 1 minute because he said he can do it. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. Come on, come on. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 left. She said she can finish them in 1 minute. Okay. Tell me when you're ready.
Yep.
Let's go. Let's go.
Why are you spraying it? It's all celebration.
Come on. 12 minutes, 10 seconds left.
I told you.
You can do this. Let's go. Let's go.
Why are you spraying?
Let's go.
Why are you
20
spraying?
seconds. 20 seconds left.
Come
Don't
on,
give
girl.
up like
Come on.
that. Don't give up.
No, trust me. Dude, I'm gonna choke in it.
Oh. She's giving up.
She's giving up.
Come on, Sai. Come on, Sai.
Why are you spraying? It's all celebration.
Come on.
We all failed. We all failed. Do you have anything to say, Big Spender?
No.
You can swallow one of it.
Ask her. Do you have anything to say?
Have anything?
No, it's shit.
You gotta stop making me laugh.